If you want to create an editable organization chart in PowerPoint, this video will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean org chart that you can edit anytime, update with new team members, and customize to match your presentation style. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want your organization chart to appear. On the top menu, click Insert, then select SmartArt. This is one of the best tools in PowerPoint for creating diagrams that stay editable, so you can easily update names, titles, and structure later without rebuilding everything from scratch. Once the SmartArt window opens, look on the left side and choose Hierarchy. This category is designed for reporting structures, team charts, and company layouts. After that, select Organization Chart from the available options. This is the standard layout most people use for business org structures, departments, and leadership teams. When you've selected it, click OK. Now PowerPoint will insert the organization chart onto your slide. At this point, you can start adding your information. Click inside each box and type the person's name and position. You can keep it simple with just names and job titles, or you can add extra details if your chart style allows it. The great thing about SmartArt is that it remains fully editable. So if a team member changes, you can simply click and update the text. If you need to add more people to the chart, this is where SmartArt makes things really convenient. Click on the SmartArt graphic, then go to SmartArt Tools, choose the Design tab, and click Add Shape. From here, you'll see different ways to expand your chart depending on the relationship you want to show. If you want to add someone below a current position, choose Add Subordinate. This is perfect for showing direct reports under a manager or leader. If you want to add someone at the same level, choose Add Coworker. This is useful when you want to show people who report to the same manager or sit in the same department. You can continue building out the chart layer by layer until it matches your full organization structure. Next, let's make the chart look better. With the SmartArt still selected, go back to SmartArt Tools and use the design options to customize the appearance. Click Change Colors if you want to apply a different color palette. This is a quick way to make the chart look more professional and better match your brand or presentation theme. You can also explore SmartArt styles to give your organization chart a more polished look. These styles can add depth, shading, and a cleaner overall design. If your chart feels too crowded or too small, you can resize the entire graphic or move individual boxes as needed. That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of using SmartArt instead of drawing everything manually. As you work, remember that you can always click into the chart and make changes later. That means you're not locked into one layout. You can add more boxes, remove roles, update titles, or reorganize the structure whenever your team changes. This makes editable organization charts especially useful for businesses, schools, departments, and projects teams. So to recap, go to Insert, choose SmartArt, select Hierarchy, pick Organization Chart, and click OK. Then add your names and positions, use Add Shape to build out your structure, and customize the colors and styles until it looks right. In just a few minutes, you can create a professional editable org chart in PowerPoint without needing any advanced design skills. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.